So it happened again. I have to send an apron to daycare for my son, and I don't have one. This is all I have, and it's covered with paint, so time to upcycle. For this video, I thought I would practice my voiceover skills. Why don't we level up this voiceover with a splint in my mouth? Ding, ding. First, grab a sewing machine. If you're pressed for time like me, go ahead and forgo that table and just set it on the floor. Hey you, I told you I was pressed for time. Did you not hear me? I need to record. Okay, I can't talk in this thing. He finally agreed to let me work on his apron. And lurking in the shadow. Please stop. Just pop on. Let me record. No, stop. Yummy, I can get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm making this for you for tomorrow, silly boy. Yippee, the camera's on the other side. I need it to flip. Turn it. Now, after a slight distraction, I am on to making my apron. Now allow me to share with you the process in upcycling this apron. First, grab an already upcycled shirt that you obviously don't wear anymore. Now cut off the bottom portion. Then flip it over to realize this is actually a Captain America t-shirt. Then also realize that whatever your kids are watching on TV is actually good background music for this video. Now cut out Captain America. Now figure out a way to cover that entire apron with that piece of fabric. Now realize that you say now way too many times in this voiceover, and also that this video is in desperate need of some background music, that TV's not cutting it. Oh, sorry. A bunch of spits like collecting in my splint. You like that owl, huh? No, don't turn it off, please. You're killing me. Ah! Owl. Is that your favorite owl? Hmm? Let's try working on this apron again. I can't turn down the volume on this, sir. Grab a glue stick because you're pressed for time and you don't have time to pin down the fabric onto the apron. Next, cut the fabric in the shape of the apron. Was he trying to let me know that he wanted me to leave the owl on his apron this whole time? Oh man, too late now. Continue gluing fabric to the apron. Take care to create nice, crisp, clean edges. Oh, I forgot to turn the background music on again. Please enjoy the visual spectacle of the fabric being glued onto the apron while enjoying the background music. Attach the Captain America rectangle that you cut out earlier. Now sew everything into place. that exact same sweatshirt in blue. None of you realized I had the exact same ugly sweatshirt in 2 colors, did you? I couldn't get him to model this apron for the life of me. I need to take a picture. Come here. Come here. I need to take a picture. Come here. Yeah! That's the best I could do.